Hi, I'm Vinti Doshi from Thinkers Club, and this summer we are collaborating with prepLABS once again to do a workshop on basics of Python and how to use Python for data analytics or data sciences.
How to organize your data, how to interpret your data, how to put it in ways that your employer will like or your client will like. It helps you a lot because you can tell that it's like genuinely adding things to your life that you will use going forward.
You don't need to have a background in Python programming. We'll be catching up on concepts which are required for data analytics in Python, and then we'll be looking at two sets of real-time data.
prepLABS was a very enlightening experience. Not only did we learn a lot of Python coding like how to organize data and make graphs, but we also applied this knowledge to find out and plot a graph about the number of COVID-19 cases in India and the entire world. Best of all, I had a lot of fun.